10 Most Beautiful Betta Fish on Planet Earth. In today's video, you will learn the top 10 most beautiful betta fish on planet Earth. Have you ever heard about it? Then stay tuned. What is the 10 most beautiful betta fish on planet Earth? Let's talk about it in this video. If you're not yet a subscriber of our channel, please click the subscribe button below. Let's begin in 3, 2, 1. The sea is full of beautiful creatures. It contains crabs, eels, octopuses and all other kinds of gorgeous species. Among them, fish are considered the most beautiful and colorful fish. Betta fish is considered the most beautiful among them. They are also called Siamese fighting fish because these males are particularly vulnerable to high-intensity attacks, and they will attack each other if they are placed in the same tank. Here are the 10 most beautiful bettas in the world. 10. Royal Blue Half-Moon Betta. The name half-moon betta speaks for itself. The tail is very large, forming a semicircle similar to a half-moon. This type is strictly reared and will not be found in the wild. Half-moon fighting fish are usually bred among experts and displayed during the Fighting Fish Show. Half-moon betta first bred in the 1980s, soon arrived in Europe, and then became famous internationally. 9. Red rosetail. The red rosetail is bred from half-moon bettas. Their caudal fins have extra rays and branches that make them wrinkle. Like a half-moon, their tails can expand to 180 degrees, but all the extra light means that the tails will fold back and forth on themselves. They do indeed look like flowers or pleated dresses. However, all these extra fins do make the fish lose weight and may hinder their swimming. Their lifespan may also be shorter than other species. This may be due to poor breeding methods, rather than breeding strong fish, which are more focused on obtaining a specific tail shape. 8. Black orchid crowntail betta. This photo shows a black orchid crowntail betta in one of our aquariums. This is a high-quality pet fish. In any live fish store or online store we visited, we have never seen a high-quality betta like this. High-quality pet fish are more energetic, tougher, and have better coloration and beautiful metallic luster. Their ancestors originally lived in central Thailand in central Southeast Asia, but now in most parts of the world, people find betta fish living in fish tanks and aquariums. 7. Crowntail betta. As the name suggests, the uniqueness of this type of betta is its tail. Because of its long and pointed tail, it is the most popular and spectacular type of betta. There are 3 types of crown tail: single ray, double ray and crossed ray. Crossed ray are the most beautiful rays, but they are also the most difficult to find and take care of. You should avoid placing crowntail betta in the same tank as the aggressive fish, otherwise it will be attacked frequently. These fish also have strict requirements. In order to keep their tails in shape, the water needs to be kept completely clean at all times. They get sick easily and are aggressive, which is why they grow better only in smaller tanks. 6. Veil-tail betta. The male veil-tail betta is also known as Siamese fighting fish. These freshwater fish are famous for their beautiful fins and colors. Betta fish can breathe from the labyrinth organ, which allows the fish to breathe from the surface. 5. The double-tail betta. The double-tail mixed colors male betta fish is a variety of fighting fish, with a distinctive tail type that distinguishes it from other fighting fish. The tail fin or caudal fin of the double-tail betta fish splits to 2 equal lobes, forming 2 distinct tails. Over the years, double-tail betta has been breeding to achieve this type of tail fin, and there are many colors to choose from, making everyone a unique art of life. Double-tailed fighting fish have the same care requirements as other betta fishes. Therefore, only one male fighting fish can be kept in the aquarium. However, females with smaller and shorter fins may be cautiously locked together. If double-tail betta are placed in a community aquarium, quiet fish should be placed in them so as not to pierce the shiny fins of the betta. 4. Comtail betta. The comtail is a cross of a crowntail and another tail type. With selected breeding, a comtail can be bred into a crowntail, but may still carry a dominant gene such as the veil tail. They often have the typical droop of the veil tail but combined with some extended rays on all fins to varying degrees. 3. White Crowntail Betta. The fins on Crowntail bettas have a distinctive jagged, fringe-like appearance. The webbing between each fin ray is reduced so each fin ray appears elongated. On the tail, each ray can be forked with 2 to 4 tips. Bettas are one of the most beautiful of all the anabantoids, gouramis, or air breathers. Their ability to breathe air directly from the atmosphere enables them to live in the stagnant pools and puddles in which they naturally occur. 2. Multi-colored half-moon betta. Beautiful live male multi-colored half-moon betta Siamese fighting fish. 1. Marble betta fish. Betta fish come in a dazzling array of forms and colors, each with a different backstory and genetic profile. But there's one betta strain in particular that hobbyists love, and that's the marble betta. So, where did the marble betta come from, and how easy, or not, are they to breed? Marbles are like the pinto horses of the betta fish world. They have dark, solid-colored blotches on a white or flesh-colored body or vice versa. The very first marbles were black and white. Since that time, the strain has developed into pretty much every shade imaginable. In the process of their evolution, marble bettas have helped to shape a great many of the new colors that are now possible to create in bettas. Are you enjoying the video? Please click like and share to help our channel. For more interesting videos, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon below so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. What can you say about this? Just feel free to leave your comments and reactions below. See you in my next video.